We need to optimize the downforce on the splitter here. The simulation shows we can reduce the drag coefficient.
If we adjust the angle of the rear wing,
the thickness here is exactly 1.25 millimeters.
Consistent with the specifications for the Bolide chassis.
Through intense heat and pressure, the bolide's carbon structure is forged, ensuring perfect resin saturation at the molecular level.
Check the temperature gradient on sector 4.
Acknowledged. Adjusting pressure now.
Final torque sequence complete.
Schematics show green across the board. The flow rate is optimal.
The thermal management data shows a spike here at the Nürburgring section. We need to analyze the airflow around the rear diffuser.
Lower it 50 millimeters.
confirm. Watching the clearances on the left side.
Looks good. Bring it down slowly.
Harness tension verified. Buckle secure.
Ergonomics check complete. All systems nominal.
Noted. Proceeding with the final sequence.
All geometry checks are green on this section.
Confirmed. The diffuser alignment looks perfect.
We have a 3-micron variance on the diffuser mount point.
It's acceptable within the parameters, and the rest looks perfect.
In the pristine environment of the Molsheim Alatilia, the Bugatti Bolide undergoes its final, meticulous inspection. 450 now. Pressure looks stable.
Confirmed. The run is clean.